Meaning of grant aid.
Grant aid.
Grant aid.
Grant aid.
Grant aid. Grant aid refers to financial assistance provided by one entity to another, typically a government or organization providing support to a developing country or struggling sector. This aid is given in the form of grants rather than loans, and may be used for various purposes such as infrastructure development, education, or healthcare. The primary aim of grant aid is to alleviate poverty, promote sustainable development, and improve the well-being of communities. Ultimately, the intended outcome of grant aid is to contribute to the economic growth and stability of recipient countries or organizations.